Dun 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 dun! I got the Star Wars Darth Vader Simon today in the box. Duh. Because there's hardly any used ones out there. Well, that are for sale. The turning off noise is weird. It's like Darth Vader is mocking you or something. He's like, you're not coming back? Or something. Or like, you quit already? Or something. I still don't really get that part of it. Oh, if I just pull off the bottom tab. No, that won't. Get because there's a lot of stuff that is involved in unboxing this game. Ha! Well, that piece of tape is broke. I have to cut across the top. To cut the top. What? Not yet, but I'm recording my unboxing. I will once I'm done. It's alright. Sorry, my dad was just asking me something. Ooh. Okay, this is hard unboxing. I know Computer Master 1 and DJ Rodriguez have this. Well, I think Computer Master 1. DJ Rodriguez has it, but he hasn't gotten it yet. He ordered it though, and it will get there on Thursday. Ooh, man, this thing is hard. Yeez, this thing is super hard, especially one-handed. Ooh, that didn't sound good. Ooh. Oh wait, if I just cut it from the bottom, then that would be a whole lot easier. So I'm telling you, this is going to be a long unboxing video. Ow. Okay, that actually kind of hurt. Here, can I just peel this tape off with my hand? I think I can. Because, I think I can. No. Okay, that's something my cousin likes. The little engine that could. My cousin likes that, so. Oh my god. Okay, that was my braille note because YouTube is going off. That's my YouTube notification sound. I always put it on, like, for default notification sound, I put it on none at night, but I put it on different ones for different days. Dang. Okay, the tape on the bottom of this. Ooh, what if I just tore this tape off right here? Like that. Okay. Oh, there we go. And then, will that just come off? Should. But unfortunately, ooh, bloody. Oh, kidding me? There's literally no instructions for this thing whatsoever. This is just design of the package. Oh wait, no, there are instructions. I was like, I swear, if there's no directions for this thing. Ooh. Yeah, be quiet, Darth Vader Simon, for right now. I'm not playing you right now. I'm getting, ooh. They're making their instructions different, like John Adams and sausage. Silly sausage. Ooh, a humongous chunk just came off of the box. Rip off the back. Ooh, that is not coming off very cleanly. Ooh, shoot. Shoot. That's not coming off very clean. I sometimes save the packages to my games, but I'm not going to with this one. I didn't with the Boppa BB-8 either. Crap. Okay, this is hard. Yeah, be quiet. My high score is 11. Because, listen. Don't know why it's so quiet right now. It's normally not. I still don't understand that turning off sign. See, you just heard it. Once again. Please tell me if you know, because that's really helpful. Let's try and pull this string out. There's half. I just gotta work on this other half right here. And that I've yanked one of the strings out. And now I just gotta take this off of the top. I don't know how they managed to stick that on. Oh, something is stuck in there. I don't know what it is. Where are my scissors? Where did I put my scissors? Crap, I swear. I can't find my scissors. Which I can't. Found them. I was sitting on them. Kids, don't try that at home. Okay, no, but they were like right behind me. I wasn't really sitting on them, but yeah. Ha! It's out of the box! Yes, 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 yes! It's a lot smaller than I thought it would be, actually, to tell you guys the complete honest truth. Dang it! Okay, so let's put away my scissors on my desk. And let's toss this box. Show the messy unboxing. Alright, so that's it. So that wraps it up, and now I've got to go take my hideous socks off. I hate socks.